Okay, I am back today. This is the second time that I am recording this because Greg called, and I am new to using my computer to record videos with. But I thought I would try it today for the first time. Um, it'll be so much easier to upload and stuff, and I think it will go faster as well. But I am back today to do the hidden giveaway drawing for let's see. Last Wednesday, I shared a haul from Lisa Loren Plans, and I got an extra kit, which is the fall favorites. I have it all packaged up here, and it is a one, two, 3 page kit, and so I'm going to draw and get this in the mail pronto. But my I had 2 people that entered, watched the whole video, and commented in the comments fall favorites and what their favorite thing to do in fall is. And the first one is Charlene Reese. I'll have to fix my computer so that that doesn't read backwards. Or maybe it just reads backwards to me. I don't know. But anyway, so Charlene Reese is my first entry. And then, so I've got that all folded up. I'm putting it in this little bowl. And then the second one was Heather Hansen with the Hen House. And I am going to fold hers up. I forget that I have to hold things up so everybody can see them. I'm going to try and set my computer up a little bit so it will be on a riser, and I think it will work better. But they're both folded the same. I'm putting it in the little bowl, and then I'm going to attach the lid. I cannot see any name. I can't see any ink at all. And I will shake that up. And I'm trying to do a lot of fall giveaways. If you haven't noticed, I've done 2 like journaling planning ones. I've given away a couple of kits. So yeah, I'm gonna hold this up so I can't see in it. And then I will move them around, and I have picked one of the pieces of paper, and the winner of the fall favorites kit is the Hen House, Heather Hansen. So Heather, I should have waited and mailed your other package with this one, but I'm going to stick this in the mail today. And yeah, you should get it hopefully Monday when you get back. And the mail is really slow. Has anybody else noticed that? Because it's taking forever for my packages to get here. But so USPS is very slow, and I knew they would be. I don't know how they can raise their prices and then be even slower. But like, I had a package go out yesterday from UPS, and it'll be delivered tomorrow. So 2 days. I don't know. The mail, it just, I hate to say, it just gets worse and worse and worse. And I think, if anything, the planner community, the crafty community, the YouTube community has uplifted USPS and kind of revived when they were pretty dead. So I don't know. But anyways, that is my video. Heather, I will get, I have something in my eye. Heather, I will get your fall favorites kit out to you. And everyone have a wonderful day. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.